Good morning, class. So today we're going to talk about a new topic, embracing new means of communication. So to continue the discussion of Miss Ungkal, we're going to talk about now how to get the most out of social media. So naturally, people all over the globe tend to make impressions on you based on what they can see first in your profile. Whether you are a student, an employee, a business person, or whatever your position is in life right now, social media profile serves as a window for others to see your life even if you are not aware of it. So there is this one video experiment class that was posted online where one group of people installed this big white tent while other members started to invite passers-by to come inside the tent to be asked questions where majority were personal questions. So invited people class started to feel uncomfortable and surprised during the interrogation when all of the questions and judgments about them were proven true by themselves only to find out class when the big white curtain inside the tent was removed, the other members of the group were in front of their computers, searching and browsing in real time these facts and issues, including past relationships that the user posted on their Facebook account, which available to the public. So, whether the impression is true or not, it would be too late for you to justify because it is what you presented to the public. So with this class, personal branding is very important. Personal branding is how one presents himself online so others can see him. Despite the self-love advocacy of many women today, netizens are still very conscious about how they look on their social media accounts. Same as the product branding, your well-known brands such as Nike, Zara, MAC Cosmetics, even your favorite hair salon have logos, vision, and mission for people to know what to expect from them and how this might affect their purchasing decisions. So, to maintain and establish their marketing class, they monitor all positive and negative incoming comments and feedback about their brand. So, therefore, the company needs to address each to continue its harmonious relationship with its clients. So, in an article published in Business World last October 17, 2017 class, a study was conducted by Kantar PNS 2017 Connected Life surveyed 70,000 people in 56 countries, and the conduct of 104 interviews should show that some 59% of online consumers in the country see content in their social media feed as reliable, which was higher than the global trust of 35% class. So, also the digital director of Kantar in Philippines, Nico De Jesus class said that Filipino netizens are very open to interaction online, especially on social media platforms. So he added that they were really glad to trust the content they read online, making the Philippines one of the most trusting countries in the region next to Indonesia. This research class proves that people, particularly the Filipinos, have high confidence on the messages that these brands post online that also make them share their personal information to these companies. So, going back to your personal brand, whether you are a celebrity or not, you may consider the following steps to start creating your personal brand. So first, class, number one, spend time establishing your true self in your mind. So, how do you want others to see and define you based on who you really are and not based on who you are not? So, number two, start decluttering your profile information and post from the time you started using it. So be mindful, class, that whenever you apply for a job, employers highly consider your social media accounts. So particularly class your Facebook account as one of your character references. And even if you are already employed, your fellow workers, especially the top management, may misunderstand your sentiments or rants online. Also, start customizing your privacy settings, whether you like your post to be in public, friends, only me, or friends of friends setting. So number 3, identify your personal brand using a combination of your values, skills, goals, personality, how you look, what you say and do, and how you look out for others. This is according to Thomas in 2013 class. So these include your photos, email address, status, comments, and even your reactions class, kanang mga emojis. So last, number 4, after pondering on your self-definition or personal brand, start living your brand both online and offline. So in order to maintain quality relationships with others class, they should see you as the same person in the virtual and physical world. So next, classifications of social media. So Trappial and Kanwar in 2012 classified types of forms of social media that exist on the internet into magazines, internet forums, web blogs, social blogs, microblogging, wikis, podcasts, videos, rating, and social bookmarking, while Blue Sail in 2010 termed these as social media tools, namely social networks, blogs, microblogging, podcasts, forums, content communities, and wikis. So whereas class, based on Kaplan and Heinlein's media research published in Business Horizons in 2010, there are 6 different types of social media. So the 6 social media, namely, number 1, collaborative projects. So example of this is Wikipedia. Number 2, blogs and microblogging.